Classification of mammals. They are further classified into three subclasses. First one is the Prototheria or the Monotremata. They are the most primitive egg-laying mammals. Certain characters are of reptile-like. They lay eggs, but these eggs are kept in the uterus where fertilization and development takes place. There is no connection between the body of mother and fetus for the transfer of nutrients, so they are ovoviviparous. Young ones are given birth in immature form and are nourished by the teats or nipple present on ventral side of the female body, from which the young one suckle the milk until they mature and take their own food. Prototheria are restricted to Australia, Tasmania, New Guinea. They are insectivorous, mean insect eating. Burrowing means digging animals, ज़मीन खोद के अंदर जाने वाले. Nocturnal, they are active at night or come out at night. In adult, teeth are absent, horny beak is present. Body temperature varies between 25 to 28 degrees centigrade. Examples are duckbill platypus and spiny anteater. Second is the Metatheria, marsupials and the pouched mammals. Female has pouch or marsupium on the ventral side of belly, in which young ones are kept after hatching, as they are born in underdeveloped and immature state. Teats of mammary gland are present in the pouch from which the babies suckle milk. In these animals, placenta not formed, therefore babies come out of the body earlier. They are confined to Australian region with the exception of the American opossum. Body is covered with hairs. They are terrestrial, burrowing or arboreal, mean living in the trees. Examples are koala, kangaroo, opossum. On the ventral side of the female body, marsupium or pouch is present, in which they keep their young one after the birth because the young one are produced in immature form. Last type is the Eutheria and the Placentalia. They are the true mammals, placental mammals. Different types of placenta are formed in different eutherians. Diffuse type, cotyledonary type, discoid type or the zonary type. In the case of human being, placenta is of discoid type. With the help of placenta, developing embryo gets nourishment and oxygen from the mother body and remove metabolic waste. Young one develop inside the uterus. After birth, mother feed the young one on her milk produced in the mammary gland with well-developed teats. Teats are present in the jaws, cloaca is absent and urinogenital duct open independent of the rectum. यूरिनो जो एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन की डक्ट है, जेनिटल जो रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन की डक्ट है और रेक्टम एनस हमारे पास जो कि डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के पार्ट्स हैं. लोअर ऑर्गेनिज्म में क्लोइका कॉमन सैक प्रेजेंट होता है. तीनों सिस्टम में से एक सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर में ओपन होते हैं, लेकिन प्लेसेंटल मैमल्स में यूरिनोजेनिटल डक्ट की जो ओपनिंग है वो रेक्टम से इंडिपेंडेंट होती है. यानी यूरिनोजेनिटल डक्ट की जो ओपनिंग है वो सेपरेट होगी, रेक्टम एनस की जो ओपनिंग है वो सेपरेट होगी. टेस्टिस आर इन द स्क्रोटम, सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, hanging outside the body throughout the life, or at least descent means move down to the scrotum during the breeding season. Breeding season जब मेल एंड फीमेल सेक्स जो हैं वो मेट करते हैं, sperms are being transferred to the female body to produce the young one. The placental mammal, they are further classified into 16 orders. Some important orders with the examples are Insectivora, feeds on insects, include moles and shrews. Chiroptera, flying mammals like bats and flying squirrel. Cetacea, aquatic mammals, for example whale, dolphin, porpoises. Sea lion. Carnivora, flesh eating like dog, cat, lion, wolves. Rodentia, cutting habit like rat, mice, squirrel, beavers. Edentata, adult with no or poorly developed molar teeth like South American anteater and sloth. Pholiodota, body covered with large overlapping horny scales, for example pangolin. Proboscidea, having a long trunk like elephant. Perissodactyla, odd-toed hoofed mammal like horse and zebra. This is the image of the odd-toed. Artiodactyla, even-toed. This is even-toed hoofed mammal like cow, goat and deer. Primates, mammal with highest brain development like lemur, monkey, apes, tarsiers, human beings, etc.